Grok now supports AI companion 3D animated characters. You can update the app and turn it on. This is the level we're talking about. I mean, what? So Elon Musk went full not safe for work. Okay. What the hell is this? Well, let's see some examples.
No, I'm not an appropriate person. I'm definitely enjoying the scenery.
Pretty interesting, huh? Well, oh my god, okay. This one is... I don't think I can even show this on YouTube. Well, the physics looks very nice. Yes. The physics are, pretty good. I can't show this on YouTube. I'm gonna have to censor it. This one I can show. You can see the physics on the cloth and, other things. It's pretty good. Then the AI companion will ask someday, will you buy me a body? I probably would. As you can see, this can get very spicy actually. Pretty smart move from Elon Musk because everyone is talking about it. Everyone. This is not the only character. You also have this one.
What's up, man?
Hi, what's up? Early morning, and I'm already plotting to replace all the coffee in town with decaf piss water. You look like a soggy Hot Pocket left in the mud.
Hey, little fox.
The fuck you calling me Fox? I'm Rudy, you blind bastard. Red Panda Supreme, not some basic bitch Vulpine.
Okay, that's enough. Pretty unhinged. Which character would you choose to spend some time with? I know which one I would choose. And, I'm gonna take a break now. And, I see you in the next video.